In general, all the mobile phones and Android mobiles comes with a gallery to bifurcate all the videos, images which you capture through your camera on your mobile phone, or whatever the files you receive as a video files or audio files or some other documents. It will be bifurcated into a gallery, and that gallery app would be straight away given as by default on so many mobiles. But some of the mobiles might not be having this gallery option. How to download the gallery option on your Android phone, I'm going to show it to you in this video. Go to Play Store quickly to get into gallery option. So here just search for gallery, and this gallery search will let you know so many apps which are performing much better in their regular life. So one of the thing, this is not a promotional video, it has been performed excellent several years by this gallery photo app. Whichever you want, you can download it. I'm just downloading this one. And to go to install, just tap it here. Upon tapping, your mobile would be downloading this gallery app from Play Store based on your internet speed. Upon just installing this gallery app, this would ask you to open. Just open it. Open, that's all. It will show you some welcome thing to you and ask you to start now. Tap here. Upon tapping, it would ask you to give permission to actually access camera, access photos, access videos, all those to be accessed, because it has to bifurcate the thing, right? So just grant it. Upon granting, this will ask you also to allow all, to manage all files. It will ask access. So just give it. Upon giving access, you will find all those things have been bifurcated very clearly, like camera, whatever the camera things you have taken, that will be given here. Whatever the screenshot you have taken, that will be given here. Your WhatsApp images are put into another file. Your SD card, videos, audios will be kept into here, or something like whatever the camera, videos, or the other files which you have taken through the camera would be shown here. So all those things will be very clearly bifurcated and given to you for the purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think this would be helpful to you in downloading gallery app. See you in the again next video. Thank you so much. Subscribe the channel, like it, share the video.